Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to fix a small roast in the crock pot. I've got roughly 2 cups of carrots, I have a 1-pound roast, but for me that's plenty. To this I am going to add six teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, that may have been 7, but it's not going to hurt anything. And I'm adding enough water to cover. And just a little more. That's good. Roast is floating a little bit, but I'm going to turn this on high and let it cook for roughly 4 hours. And then I'm going to make some gravy with it, and I'll be back when it's ready. Hi, I'm back, and my roast has been cooking for roughly about 4 hours. So I'm going to take and spoon out some of the broth. Add roughly about a tablespoon of cornstarch to this broth. Mix it together. Pour that back into the bowl, or the crock pot. Put the lid back on, and I'm going to let it cook for roughly an hour to thicken. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I've taken everything out of the crock pot, and I'm getting ready to serve myself. So and I have to correct the ratio of cornstarch to make the gravy. Oh, this is tender. This is fall apart tender. What you need is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch for every cup and a half of liquid that you have. Get some of these carrots on my plate. Mashed potatoes. And the gravy. Ooh. I drop the meat on the table. So, as I said, the meat is falling apart tender. Get a little taste of that. It's good. Carrots are nice and tender. Mashed potatoes, good. So, if you enjoyed watching this recipe, and hopefully you'll try it, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.